it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. Let it go. You got to let it go.
What is up, guys? Welcome to the vlog, and today number 3 here in Costa Rica. And how about that morning b-roll? I put on the flippers and the goggles here, went out there, and I think I got some good shots of the surfers. So today is off to an epic start, day number 3, Costa Rica. Let's get this vlog going. So today we're going on a little bit of an adventure, and to get there, we're taking some ATVs. We're gonna take these bad boys, and we're gonna go check out one of the waterfalls. What's the name of the waterfall? Montezuma waterfall here, close to like a 45-minute drive from Santa Teresa Beach. All right, we're gonna see if we can find, or if the route on the map here is the route we should be taking. You ready?
No.
Laura, who's driving, you or Lindsay?
That's a great question. Since I don't know how to drive, I'll go ahead and say Lindsay, but hopefully we find a little side road and I get a little
Driving experience?
driving experience.
Ah. Oh man, these glasses do not help at all for the dust. And maybe you can even like see it on my face. I'm sure it's like caked on here. But we made a quick pit stop to check out the beach here because, well, we just can't help ourselves. It's so pretty. Look at this. Gorgeous beach. Got the cool abandoned boat here. Almost like a little mini, private beach to ourselves here.
Good morning!
Alright, attempt number 2 with the drone here. little dusty. So we are off of the ATVs and now kind of at the start or the end of the waterfall, and the waterfall is like that way somewhere. Got some of our crew here, back there, a couple more up there. Whew, yeah, we're gonna hike this gorgeous like foresty jungle to the waterfall. So welcome to the waterfall here. It was a fairly short hike, but it is so hot right now. So let's waste no time. Let's jump in the water.
No, let's go.
Little waterfall, little sandwich. I think we're gonna hang out here, finish our lunch, and head back on the ATVs. So I'm trying to get on top or to the top of the waterfall. So I'm kind of having to like hike up above the waterfall, and then I think come down. So this right here, this is the top. This is the top of the waterfall. Well, actually, that is the kind of the lip of the waterfall goes over. And there's kind of like a pool here, a little pool here, and somebody has set up like a cool slack line all the way across. But let's go over there to the edge of the waterfall and go say hi to my friends. Looks deep enough. Whoa. I just put all my stuff in a pile of ants. Look at these things. Woo. Those guys look angry. Oh. Oh. Ah. There's my group right there. All right, we are done with the waterfall. We are back on our quads. We made a quick pit stop here at this place because it had this really cool like water crashing against the rocks kind of picture. In fact, I'll put a couple of those pictures right here. But now that we're done getting pictures, well, maybe a few more pictures, but now that we're done getting pictures, we're gonna find a cool place to watch the sunset. Okay, I had to make a quick stop because I saw this really cool orange van here from the road, and it has like the sun beaming through. So I'm gonna take like a really cool picture with it. We got it. Thank you, cool old bus. Woo, look at that sun flare. Let's just appreciate that 1 second here. Just damn, that's nice. I love finding like cool stuff like that. All right, let's hop back on the ATV. Woo.
Still see through it.
Just in time for sunset. Look at this view and this beach. You might jump into the water here real quick just to kind of rinse off, and then we are going to grab some dinner. I think that is the perfect place to end this video. It's been an amazing day here in Costa Rica, day number 3. I can't think of a better way, better place and better way to end it. So on that note, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching, and if you have, click that like button because it definitely makes a difference. And if you want to see future videos, because I got a lot of cool stuff coming up, definitely click that subscribe button. But on that note, that's a good place to end it. So the show is over, the vlog is done. I will see you guys in the next video.
let it go.